what's up? Good morning from Cuba. So in today's video we will talk about the food in Cuba. Many tourists, especially Canadians and Americans, don't want to visit Cuba because of food. Today we will take you to our breakfast and dinner. We have a lunch also here in this all-inclusive resort, but we don't go to lunch. Usually we have some snack on a pool or near the beach. We are here already 5 days and I already know what I like and what I don't like. So let's go to eat. Usually they have around 15 dishes and for a dinner a little bit more, and we always find something that we like. I am someone who likes food and I can eat a lot, and I gain maybe 2 kilograms in the last 4 days. So that means you will always find something delicious. It's not that I live last 20 years in Mandalay Bay, but if you are coming to Cuba only for a food, then you can't expect something like in Mandalay Bay. Scrambled eggs are very delicious, and one not. So here you will not find cornflakes or Cheerios. So if you are crazy about them, I will recommend to bring them, especially if you have kids. If you can't find anything in the all-inclusive resort, you always can go to some restaurants outside, and they have a couple of good ones. For the end, I will take some crepes. They have pretty decent crepes here. Guys, that was my breakfast for today, and I'm full. See you at the dinner. Evening, guys, it's a dinner time and we are really hungry. Me and little traveler already have idea what we will eat, because we almost every night eat similar dishes. So now we will go and choose our dinner for today. First we will start with the soup, because they have amazing green bean soup. The black bean soup is amazing and so delicious. Every night they have pizza. Pasta is my favorite dish in this buffet. Thank you. With pasta they always have a red or white sauce, plus you can add ham, cheese or some vegetable, and delicious red wine. pasta. My second favorite is grilled fish. Thank you. Fish. Today I will try something new. They have a grilled pork, so I will try and see is it good.
이거야 너블. 얘는 풀자 같아.
This is really good. The pork, grilled pork, it's amazing. Now I'm full. I always take some prosciutto and cheese with the buns because they are amazing. But for today I'm done. Now I will go and show you the sweets. Today they didn't have my favorite cake, but still all sweets are amazing. Plus papaya and mango are great. I'm so full, I can't eat ice cream. And ice cream is really good, it's homemade. Guys, it's time to get out of here. I'm so full. This buffet is open till 10 p.m. so probably around 9 I will be back. I hope this video will help you to know more about the food in all-inclusive resorts in Varadero. I was not disappointed, the food was good, some dishes almost excellent. This was not Mandalay Bay level, but to be honest, only few places in the world can compete with Mandalay Bay. Guys, thank you all for watching and see you next week with our new adventure. Bye!